Smooth edges, straight boards. Pick the right benchtop jointer for accurate faces and clean edges. First, when JT630H 10A 6 benchtop jointer, $299.99. The Wen JT630H offers a 6-inch cutter and a powerful 10A motor with a helical cutter head for quieter, smoother results. It's a solid benchtop option for hobbyists wanting clean faces and square edges on boards before glue-ups. Second, Wen JT833H8 benchtop with extendable tables, $349.99. Stepping up to 8 inches and extendable tables gives you better support for longer boards and more consistent planning. The helical cutter head keeps tear out low and finish quality high, perfect for serious DIY woodworkers. Third, CRAFTSMAN CMEW 0 to 06.5 amp 6-18 benchtop jointer, $399.99. CRAFTSMAN focuses on reliable build and consistent cuts. This model's slightly different specs make it a sturdy choice for small workshops where space is limited but precision is required. Fourth, 401120 high if Cutterhead benchtop enhancement, $279.99. This jointer emphasizes upgraded Cutterhead performance for smoother finishes and lower noise. If finish quality and reduced tear out are priorities, this enhancement model delivers excellent surface results for fine cabinetry work. Fifth, Wen JT3062 to Blade 6 benchtop jointer, $249.99. The JT3062 offers a simpler to blade cutter system that's ideal for budget-minded hobbyists. It keeps edges square and speed.